Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on the Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, I'm gonna check a few platforms. First one is gonna be Google Play Store, but as we all know it's not available here. We can always try. Nope, there's no Fortnite on Google Play Store. So now let's move on to Epic Games app. So I downloaded it from their website, Epic Game Store. Now let's open it. From here we should be able to see Fortnite. It's right here. Click Get. But sadly the device is not supported, so that means you can't play it on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.